ne utimi attack personally. Who hate Chief Justice? Why do you hate him so much? Because Ghana for you na judiciary no when they are attacked, it means the nation or the country is under attack. And to cool BSC judiciary ceasefire Supreme Aquane High Court. Yes, easy. And now the NDC leading led by John Dramani Mahama, I shall see gradually. No, I bet 2 points back on or more reaction. When we keep quiet, more will come. When we keep quiet, more will come. So Ghanaians, Mumbai Nayan Sorenian cancer John Dramani Mahama say, if you want to be president, come and tell us what you did before when we gave you that chance, and tell us what you would do. Let us compare and contrast. Simple. This is politics. It's not about attacking our institutions. Because one of the finest institutions in the country we can ever boast of as a Ghanaian is the Supreme Court. Because peace. Ghana is a peaceful country. No. Supreme Court in Nikitano. It can be peace. And we will not allow anybody, I repeat, we will not allow anybody to come and fill the words on our Supreme Court judges. And the case bang and ako. Is it because ye checha kromfo na wo habo woman nature woman to the country to come and rape Ghana? Yesi Ghana. Is it because a recent course wo abam ye chechi woman? And the Supreme Court, the judiciary is wrong for sentencing bad officials, government appointees under your watch. Former President, Your Excellency, I'm asking you, you need to answer these questions. Because you can try one when answer try. Ghana for we must begin to analyze Obia Kasa now because ye pe mine ye yo and ye mapenyi bimbe to ayam piaso akane tra kosa. This is not what we need from you, former President. We respect you above this. Don't go down too low. And kwasha from sa. Oh yes, I know higher. How can a former president of the republic, a great nation like Ghana, go down so low to be doing this? Why? I then I go your former presidency respecting any masses. No, we will love you. Don't Dramani Mahama, we love you, so we will look you in your face and tell you the gospel truth that you are mistaken. If those behind you are hypocrisy, you want to say yare. No more people who they will not tell you the truth and say why. Now, Niparotana, but in your no one can say, and someone wouldn't in a so far court. And no one catch say, Kofa judge a lawyer, ne wise and cat. And you want to catch us a Kofa a cake lawyer, Bejina. Man intro and read the Ghana Constitution in today in answer. No, no. A dude was a marco court. That's what I didn't try. What the young show Musa from 2020. Still, Winjemu Wako court. Maba, Ubia family. Aha wa dance ya cheso obi afa oyere say o se kofa nipa na me ka asama to no so mani be gina adaka mu na me hwese menya dance ya won ho a wa nkasa John Dramani Mahama so wa ye da no judge e ko tena asem we so a wa ka no kure ubebu an say ka no kure so obi afa me yire wa frame na nanom panfo ya sama anaba wa ba wa dance ya we o say mo de mo mani ko gina adaka mu na me ntoto na no na mo behu Nkwada some way. Now when you judge moi, more and this for Muslim so judge the moon be a dear. And your best row. Oh, Kasa. Look at your position first. And share NDC no. NDC the option of be papa be every moment. Show who say we are former president of the republic. First. Secondly, we are Obi Mister. We are Busuya this year. So consider we munina ube kasa. Sabi obedwen hu mienu no atra kwa miensa se former president there enu kwa se me de ma no toto fom man kura be kasa manim cause former president modu why me da say now me call forward no to the second case I be kan say the next NDC government mobile review as gracia. Hey. NDC bear review as gracia. More multiple double salary. In any case, John Dramani Mahama, if you have forgotten, I'm reminding you. In any case, say NDC, will say or mobile review as gracia, and then yet the Etiano mobile 2 more. No money we are mine. Because we lose about 2016 at the verge of exit. And now say I am going to be a former president. Now me former president now me me perceive to me capable to say certain president. Don't Dramani Mahama. This is what you did in 2016. Esa kofa 8 miensa yentu omoka ofosu kwa ati so wanam ho nya dwuma bia so so me so na akwa kotum because oye former aid mufta oba abai ne tuaneka wo san ya nhihye to honum say every 4 years ka bia wo wi aso to aye ma 10 years guarantee. John Dramani Mahama nkwa say 4 years bia na yense ne cars no so pe bulletproof from tie to police car no so bulletproof. So Ghanaians, muma yenwene se nipa we catch us or be review. Ah? A punching catch there and they say Obama e John this do. Yes, we have John so or no John this chain no krani and one. What the net truth pray. And tis all per se you ampa bra out in Abeka says Sika meje bosumi bia as former president as Gracia ni na mejai because me ba metwam. And tis shall now. And penny for say me kwa me maybe yen can krum ye can quentia. And you are quentia quentia and I will to you who's a kwa maybe. Now when I be more kwaba. Why never more kwaba? It is a ex-president to one year born who can a chain a president Akufo-Addo. I'm telling you. You bought because Akufo-Addo the car what him one car and ya buy dia. But Mahama freeze so no or J4x4 me new bulletproof 4 years is so no was a J 2024 best J and so on and so on. This is a fact. Opa gogo and this in new hana on tiasi no nima fa phone na gogo S Gracia John Dramani Mahama 2016 ebe yini nyina the amount onu kwa waje 230 million Ghana cedis 230,000 Ghana cedis a month. And a John Dramani Mahama eje and no kwadanche ya ne office on tuadanka electricity bibia free obetu kwan wasade shemu se opesu otu kwan ne ma ekwaje omani a first class hotel no kombeda ni nyina yanso ngu aban so ama Tibon Kwaso parliamentarians NDC led majority eje to mass and sign and pay our constitution no government and betima aba sign just a parliament no omotenase and they will not do it. And this papa we catch that will say as Gracia or Bano be reviewer massa a punching a show John this all show John this yare edroom. So by Ginedia, I told you why I just say NDC full soldiers now no be hey but some of us in the ya be mudo